Today I'm going to show you how to make a Caledonia. Now this cocktail, we're going to use our build technique. So we're going to take our ice and pour it into our 16-ounce beer glass. And we're going to start off with our first alcohol, which is a brandy. Now brandy is a double distilled grape. If you don't have brandy, feel free to use a cognac. It's a little more expensive, but it's pretty much the same stuff, just come from different regions of the world. So we're going to do 1 part of brandy. So let's go with a 1 ounce pour or a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then our second ingredient is going to be a dark creme de cacao. You can usually find this in most well brands, but if you want to get a little bit more creative or use a little bit more elegant of a cocktail, feel free to use a Godiva chocolate liqueur. So we're also going to do 1 ounce or 4 count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From there, we're going to add in some cream or milk if you don't have it. And then after that, we're going to tap in a little bit of cinnamon into the glass. Now, we're going to be putting this into a highball glass. So we're going to want to get that ready. And we're going to shake all the ingredients in the mixing tin and glass really vigorously to release all those flavors and aromas. And then from there, you're just going to strain all of the drink into your highball glass. Top it off with a straw. And there is your Caledonia, a drink you will undoubtedly enjoy.